Insubuy is a leading insurance brokerage company. We are located in Plano, Texas, and were established in the year 2000. Insubuy is a one-stop shop for student, travel, and visitors insurance needs. We routinely assist individuals, families, and groups in need of short and long-term coverage for anywhere they may travel. We offer a wide variety of insurance plans for people traveling throughout countries worldwide. Some types of coverage we offer are international visitors medical insurance, international medical insurance for students, scholars, and exchange visitors, travel insurance and trip cancellation insurance for domestic and international trips, disability and other specialty insurance plans. Insubuy has served millions of customers worldwide and will continue to serve millions more. To meet the global needs of our customers, Insubuy's licensed insurance agents are available 7 days a week for any help customers might need before, during, or after purchase. Our diverse agents are available to assist customers in English, Spanish, and Mandarin Chinese. We would be glad to help you select the most suitable insurance plan for your needs wherever your travels may take you. Insubuy uses many advanced technologies in our office and on our website. Our in-home team of software engineers and other IT professionals work together seamlessly to create and maintain top-of-the-line software systems and content on our website. Insubuy takes the security of our customers' information very seriously. Online or in office, we use state-of-the-art security systems to protect all personal and financial information that passes through our hands. Insubuy's executive management is committed to ensuring excellence at every step of the customer service, including technological advances and innovations and employee knowledge. We have dedicated our promise to customers so that our customers can depend on us to be there for them when they need us.